Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Oh yeah, got the first one, y'all. Got the first one. Good gracious, I can't even hold this sucker. Okay. Josh. Hey, you might well come over here with your chatterbait. Huh? Chatterbait? All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Let's get him back, guys. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate you so much for coming out to bite this morning. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Using a black 10-inch zoom worm this morning. Look at what this dude got this morning. Let's get it. Right, oh my God. Wait a minute.
Hurry up.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep, go ahead. Joshua release him. Got to be a bit 4 pounds. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. What you use? That worm.
I got stuck in a tree. It fell in the water. He grabbed it. I thought I was hung. I set the hook, boy.
I might have to grab the worm. Boy, that was crazy.
I know, right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Here you go. Got something, y'all. Got something. Oh, nice one. It looked like he got something stuck in his mouth. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. He got an old, wait. He got an old crankbait or something stuck in his mouth. What is that? Oh my goodness, he got an old, let's get this out of the way. He got a hook in his mouth. Let's get that out of there. I can't leave that in there. Let's get that out of there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't leave that in there. Let's see if we can do him a favor and get that out of there. Okay, didn't even hurt him. That's why he couldn't get no weight on him, because of that stuff that was in his mouth. Let's get this dude back, man. He ain't even bleeding. Thank you, buddy. Let's put that right there. Let's do a short with you. I need to do a short. Alright guys, I'm out here at ECU doing a little bass fishing this evening, and caught this little fella right here, wondering why he was so slim. But if you watch the video, you'll see why. But nice catch though. Let's get him back in the water. Hey guys, I just saved this little dude's life. Maybe he'll gain some weight in there and get a little bigger, but it was a mess what he had to go through to try to get something to eat. If you watch the video, you'll see what I mean. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. You get to live another day.